We need this wrench special tool to unlock these nuts on this cassette. So take it off. And so this one comes first, and there's a second one. Okay, here's the second one. So here's there's another washer, I'm sorry, here. So you can take the cassette off. Now use the Allen key tool to unlock all the 6 screws from the cap. And knock it gently to open the lid. Okay, pull out the motor core. And then where you can see this clutch. And it just changed a new one to put it back on. You have to be careful. There's a notch. You have to line up the notch right here. Line up so you can press it to the bottom. Once they are lined up, they just slip through all the way to the bottom and it stops. So you can check over here. So this is a good position, and then you can insert the whole motor core back to the hub. Line up the holes and then put the 6 screws back on. We recommend you put these screws back on with a diagonal sequence. So diagonal first, and then second pair, the third pair. So remember the sequence of the washer. Put a washer here and put them back on. You need this wrench, and don't screw this nut with much pressure. Just give it a gentle twist. When it stops, if you push too hard, you will ruin the axle. Yeah, and make more squeeze on out of from the cassette. Yeah, that's good. And then, so one thing to check before you put the motor back on, the whole wheel back on, you need to shake a little bit to check if there's any click sound within. So bouncing off. A good installation should eliminate the space between the core and the hub, so it should be solid.